Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on division in algebra worksheets. So this video gives you a few worksheets where we can practice dividing algebraic terms together. Now, if you're not sure what to do, we've had a lesson on this very topic, and on the last slide you can click on the link and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So for this first slide here, I'll leave it on for about 1 minute, but you can pause it for as long as you like. So after 1 minute, I will go on to the next slide. Okay, let's go on to the next slide now and see what we have. For this slide, they're just a little bit more involved because you have more terms, but the principles are the same. You'll notice here we have a little bit of a mixture, but the only clue I can give you, just work from left to right in the normal manner. Okay, because we know the rules for order of operations, so just work from left to right because we've either got division and or multiplication, so that's all you do. So I'll leave this video on, that slide on, just for another minute before we go to the last one. Okay, I'll go on to the last slide now, and remember you can pause the video at any time on any slide if you need more time.